Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick hairstyle, making it easy just for you. Well, the first thing, if you find it hard to actually hold your hair to this point, this is how we do it. You just flip all your braids towards the back and then pick one by one up to the center. You can actually first fold a little amount. I know you could want and prefer it practically done, but I want this video to be as short as possible. Okay, so if you just do that, the next thing you do is you top up the other hairs, and now you add in another hairband. Okay, so as we dive into this style, I'll also appreciate it if you like this video. You can also share it out there, tell someone about this channel, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, okay, because more tutorials are coming here. It's all about beauty, style and future vlogs. Okay, so let's do it. My hair, I've already held it towards the top. I was actually trying to force in a little bit of the baby hair that is absent like that, because it actually makes like the hair to you feel just to look clean and clear. When my friend introduced me to this, I was like, wow, this is it. Now I'm just giving you time to actually just hold your hair towards the top, unless you're not doing it. Okay, just a little bit like that. Yeah, not so much, because my hair is still new. I actually did it the other day myself. I love doing braids on myself because I can take as long as I want. I don't have to sit for 4 hours, and yet I've not yet made it in life. You get my point. Anyways, the next thing for our style, I hope you have held it at the top, and then I hope you also have a mirror to look at what you're doing. Is just hold your hair. We'll do it in two ways: the messy bun and the net bun. The messy bun, what you normally do is you normally just hold the hair. Okay, I told you it's new. I mean, it's supposed to be doing the ends. What you normally do is just hold the hair like that. After holding it at the center, and then just rotate it once. It's like this, rotate it once, and then like that, and then let me just turn so that you see at the back, like that, and then continue like as if you're rotating, and then tuck that last piece in. Now this is not really that messy. It's still neat, but it's kind of messy. If you really want it messy, don't tighten it, okay? And also in this case, also don't really tighten it, okay? So we have it like that. Okay, now we are ready to go to work. That is style number one. The other one is the knit bun. And for each of these styles, actually I would prefer it if you choose to accessorize, put in small earrings, maybe round earrings if you have them, just the ones not really hanging. But if your outfit is open, well, this is fashion. If your outfit is open, you can go in for the hanging earrings. But if it is just as closed as mine, such small earrings will go in well and handy. Don't you love it? Anyways, did I even introduce myself? If it is your first time here, Keyareas, Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. That is just me telling you to check out all my social media platforms: IG, TikTok, ms__Maureen. Okay, so let's go to the other style. The other style is where we make things neat. You see this one? You can even you can also do it like that. It looks good, right? It looks okay. It looks fine. Also done like that. Right, loves? And well, I want us to, I don't know which one you prefer. Tell me in the comment section. There's a comment. Let's go to the third one. Is it that one or the fourth one? The last one. Now this one, needs you to pay more attention. You can actually also go like this, but this one, you know, it depends on the job you're going to. Most cases, corporates, you know, they're taking that serious if your hair is just like this. So let's go in with the next one. You just open like this, drop them at the front, and at the back you have something like a hole, and then you start picking a little bit from here, like you're tucking it in. Just watch how I'm doing it. I hope the camera is giving all of us justice. And then also at the back, go while tucking in like that, come back to the front, the remaining, continue tucking it in. You see, even the ones you're holding, where is this, like this, continue tucking them in like that. It's as if the tucking in is like you want to rotate the hairs. This one has become less. So like that, the remaining one you just rotate, and then voila, you have your cute bun. You see? You have your cute bun like that. I did not really apply these ones well. I was just doing it in a hurry. Anyways guys, if you've watched this far, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. You can always check in the description for more videos. I'm looking this side because this is where my mirror is at. Yeah, my small camera. You can also tell me in the comment section, was it easy for you? What would you like us to go in next? So you see the way it is actually today. I don't know if I'll go in with this one. I'll go to work in this one or the messy one. Tell me, which one would you prefer me to go in with? I'll with this one because it's like my overall outlook today. But no, I'll go in with this one. Let me just show you. I was just showing you other styles, but today I'm gonna go in with the messy bun, the messy one. The messy one, I told you, you don't need it to be in that circular manner. Just do it once like that, and then you will have something messy. This one wants to be perfect. I don't want it to be perfect. I need a mess. I need a mess. So guys, you can always choose one from all the ones I've shown you. So for me, I want this is like this. I don't know why it doesn't want to be messed up, and I want it messy. Hey. Yeah, it's going to take up a lot of time. And it was easy when I showed you the first time. It's trying to prove a point. I'm gonna work with something like that. I want it messy. That mirror is not even giving me justice. Let me just look myself in a bigger mirror. Oh, yep. Anyways guys, if you've watched this far, just click right here to watch more of my videos. I love you. See you on the next one. Messy.